You drew the line when I myself was unable. I had your sweat and tears to thank for growing to be the stable. This one is just for you. You were there in my life since I opened my eyes. Help me find the way. Pains went all away. You knew that the things that many can notice. You are the main part of everything. You drew the line when I myself was unable. You say you are not perfect. I don't need you to. I have your sweat and tears to thank for growing to be this stable. It all comes down to what matters, that you are there for me. You gave my life the meaning it needed. Without you I just cannot survive. You held me when I was in trouble. Helped me with a dream that I wanted to follow. I'm sure it's hard, I know it now. The courage it will take to pick me up when falling down. You drew the line when I myself was unable. You say you are not perfect. I don't need you to. I have your sweat and tears to thank for growing to be this stable. It all comes down to what matters, that you are there for me. You are there for me. You make me wanna try harder for all you've done for me and my brother. To me, nobody can be above you, 'cause all I wanna say is I love you. How can I pay you back? Time passes way too fast. I wanna hold on to all the things that made you laugh. I promise I will fight. I'll fight through all my darkest nights, so I can show you how much I love this life. You drew the line when I myself was unable. You say you are not perfect. I don't need you to. I have your sweat and tears to thank for growing to be the stable. It all comes down to what matters, that you are there for me. What matters, that you are there for me. I love you. From the cradle to the grave, to the end of days, we all should dance while we live. Don't wait for another chance. It's written in the stars. In the stars, in the stars. The notes of life are running out of time. By living out behind them, something to keep in mind. Nothing is waterproof. Our dreams, hopes, and free will